Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. In today's episode we will basically continue with the hubs and perhaps the power steering pump. We will see. All the sandblasting is getting boring, all the grinding is getting boring. I would like to paint something so that I get more, confirmation that I'm moving forward. So we will see. I will take a look at the pieces that I have and see. Because the ARP studs, the wheel studs, that order got cancelled because the store RX Performance something, they apparently sell things without having them. So they are saying that it's made to order, but there's not a single word on that on the eBay page. That's something that they sent in a message much later on. So that's bad. But I have found another store selling them, and they had the amount of kits available that was counting down. So hopefully they have something in stock so that I can get it, and then I can focus on the hubs themselves and prepare them for the new brakes and so on. So I will go and have a look now. So I will continue with the right rear hub and sandblast these areas, and I will do my best to actually finish the sand blasting and grinding phase so that we then can focus on pushing the bushings out as well as drilling the screw out. So I will use the drill press, and I will actually seat it or have this surface down so that I have it sitting in a good position. Otherwise, if I have it like this, as you can see, it's angled, and that's no good. But if I stand it on this edge, so upside down, then it will be fine. So then I can drill that one out. So this area needs to be sandblasted, and then we have the area in here which is not really perfect, and I need to remove this one somehow. We still have some stuff left in here, and also in these areas. So hopefully I can get some progress on this. So I was able to remove this nasty dust shield, and that's a huge win. So now I can clean up a big piece of area, or a big area, and I'm not really sure if I actually need these since I won't be daily driving it. So perhaps there is no need, but in case I want to use it, I still have this bend, meaning I could cut it and weld on a steel piece, a pipe basically, just to have something if I want to have it. We will see, but this is a win at least. So I think this one is ready for paint and so on. We still have 2 bushings to remove, and then the seal and 1/2 of the bearing which is left. So I will take care of them, and also the screw. So I will take care of that before I paint. I might also install the new bearing before I paint as well, just to lower the risk of damaging and having to repaint, etc. And I'm leaning more and more towards not reusing these or making new ones. Like I said, it won't be a daily driver, so I don't think I have the need for it. So that will be the end of this episode. Tedious work, but it needs to be done. So what you gonna do? But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.